Hi there! In today's video, we will be talking about how to add affiliate links to Blogger post. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So as you can see, I am on the Blogger dashboard. First, let's click on New Post. So for example, we're going to create a blog post here. So let me just paste the title. Then I'm just going to paste the content here as well. So in our post, we want our affiliate links to be seen naturally, and we don't want them to look like we are forcing our blog visitors to click on those links. So since this blog is about must-have items for work-from-home individuals, we can just highlight the product here like this, and then copy the product name. After that, go to the shop where you are affiliated with. In this case, I'm gonna use Shopee links. But it can be anything. It can be from Amazon, Temu, AliExpress, etc. Then I'm just going to paste the product name here to search for the product. And then I'm just going to select the product, get the link, copy the link, then go back to Blogger Editor, click on the Insert Link button, then paste your affiliate link here. After that, tick this box, then click Apply. Now let's do it with another product. Now, let's say I have already put all my affiliate links here. Let's now publish the post. Now that it has published, let's see how it looks like. Just click on the View button here. Now the post is currently live and anyone can see this. So if we try to click on the product names here, it will be directed to the product page, of course using your affiliate links. So now if your blog visitors buy from your links, you will then get a commission. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.